want to call it a war between these three men. Oh wait.
I swear to God, y'all piss me off tonight. It's supposed to be a Nia Appreciation Night. Like, it's in the title. It's a night where you find a Nia and you appreciate her. Nobody's done it. Everybody been a pain in my ass all night. And you know what? I'm starting to understand what my man Biggie Smalls said. More money, more problems. I got this title and everybody just want to just rear their ugly head. You know, I'm tired of it. And one more thing I got to say. Another interruption? Of course. Well, sure. What?
Oh, wait a minute.
You're going to give me a title shot or I'm breaking your sister's neck.
Let me go.
Oh, wait. Oh.
Jealous.
This has nothing to do with you, Carmasutra. Keep quiet.
If you don't let me go.
Whoa, now. Hey, what are you, whoa, easy. What are you doing, Shaul? Hey, don't do nothing you gonna regret. Shaul, don't.
Until I get fine ice back in here. If you don't get off of me.
Nia, I'm done playing games with you. A title shot. Now! Or your little benefactor gets a broken neck right here in front of your eyes.
Oh my God, I can't stand this. Okay, you know what, you got it. You've been pushing my buttons all night. You got it. Title match. Me, you, I'm gonna beat your ass again. That's all that's gonna happen. You let go of my sister right now. I swear to God.
She got it! Time is running out! And we're just about out of time. We'll see you next time from us!